Hi, I'm Brad Gieske. Today I'm going to walk you through and take a deep dive into the 2019 RAM user experience. We're going to talk about the cluster. So I'm provided instantly with some feedback of the system telling me that I need to push the brake and press the start button to start. Once I've started the vehicle, I will be prompted and brought up to a default display, in which case I will have my digital speedometer in the center. We have two clusters in the 2019 Ram truck. One is a 3.5-inch display, as well as you can see in this Ram Limited, we actually have the 7-inch display. Both of them are color displays and provide information to the driver as is needed to keep the driver's hands on the wheel and eyes on the road while operating the vehicle. I can get warning messages and other information can appear automatically. In this instance, I actually have a washer fluid low, and you're going to see the message pop up right in front of me. By pressing up and down, I can go through the menu set, which I can get into information such as my speedo, as well as vehicle information. We have driver assist screens that take you through some of the cruise control settings. Cruise control and adaptive cruise control all exist on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. We have fuel economy, as well as trip information, stop-start, audio information, which will change based on source, as well as what songs are playing. We have a message area where, in case you missed a message, a vehicle warning message, you can actually come back to it and actually see it later. We also have screen setup. We also have four corners of information. In this instance, we have our oil life percentage, our compass, battery life, and oil pressure. So all of these can be customized, and we also have some other zones in the cluster that can be customized as well. All the information is provided nice and large so I can keep my eyes on the road and just have simple glance times looking down to see what I actually need.